We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you the common causes of a paper jam, and I'm working with a Canon color image class MF733cdw. So first thing is the main reason for jams a lot of times could be the way this is adjusted. You don't want this too loose or too tight. You want it set for the type of paper or envelopes that you're using. Then also there are these max level indicators. You don't want to fill too close to that or not enough as well, because if it's too full, the printer won't pick it up. If it's not full enough, the printer won't recognize that there's paper in the tray when there is. Also, another thing to do is when you are replacing paper, you never just want to put your new paper in there with the old paper. A lot of times, if you see it's not aligned, so what I do is take all the paper, my old and my new, combine the two, fan it out. Especially with us living in Oklahoma, the condensation in the air sometimes can make the pages stick together. Once you fan it out, definitely realign all the paper together and stick it in your tray. If you guys are seeing a lot of paper jams, it's probably time to bring your printer in for a service. If you guys are in need of supplies or quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.